Well guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the 5 best headphones on Temu. So right here, we are already in Temu and we will be discussing the 5 best headphones that are up and review. So the first one right here is your wireless headphones, the standard one. So it's just called wireless headphones. It has upgraded stereo sound. It has lightweight flat folding design. So just scroll through the photos right here of how it would look like. It looks like your AirPods Max, but it's just chunkier in some way. So it has a built-in design for your mic, and it's compatible with the 3.5mm audio jack. It's ideal for your work, travel, laptop, PC, cell phone, and gaming. So as you can see right here, the price only is $12.85 right now. It's available in black and silver. So this is going to be actually delivered all over the world with DHL or your UPS. So as you can see right here, there's 428 reviews with a 4.7 star rating. So this is go down to the specs right here. As you can see, there's noise cancellation mode, that it's wireless, and it's made out of plastic. As you can see, this is how it would look like in the suction cups right here, or just the ear cups I mean. So it has quick start guide for your mode switch, your next track or volume up, or your previous track and volume down. You can also play and pause and turn off the power with one button. You also have your free adjustment with your telescopic headband, sliding adjustment with 90-degree rotation. So this is wireless, as you can see, of course. This is suitable for your mobile, tablet, and other devices. So if you're in a budget and you just want headset or headphones that will actually do the job, you can get this for $12.85 right now. So as you can see right here, those are the pictures, and let's move on to the next one. So the second one right here is going to be your wireless headphones, but they're just generic and they don't really have a brand or a name. So I'm just going to search for wireless headphones until you come across this one. So this has 120 reviews with a 4.8 star rating, and this will come in around $16.49. As you can see right here, you have black, red, white, and green. So you can choose from these colors of how it would look like. This is the white one. It looks really pleasing to the eyes. This has passive noise reduction with bass, so you can block unwanted things that you don't want to hear. It's perfect for outdoors and gaming and exercising and very much more. Traveling outside with this is very convenient since it's also lightweight. So when it comes to connection, as you can see right here, you'll have to press the first button for 3 seconds, and then you can boot this wireless for actually just 3 seconds, and then it will have red and blue lights that will flash alternately until you're connected. So as you can see right here, just scroll down. So here its key features that it has really good bass, as it says. It has good battery, good microphone, and as you can see, you have your noise cancellation earmuffs that are comfortable, and it's compatible with almost all devices basically. So as you can see right here, it says it will give you a good voice, passive noise reduction, bass, and block unwanted things you don't want to hear basically. So from there, it will have 360 hours of standby time, 1 hour fast charging, and 20 hours time of listening to this. So it also has a 3.5mm jack if you want to connect it to your PC. So as you can see, you can even place a TF card or your actual SD cards for your music if you don't have a device to listen or connect it to. So there you go guys, that is this one. This is called again your own wireless headphones only. So next we're going to move to something way better right here. This is your active noise wireless reduction headphones. So as you can see right here, this is way better than the rest that we have showed a while ago. So this has better ANC, and it has a better design with a sleek design only with better earmuffs than a while ago. So this will come in with $24.68, as you can see right here. And this is the 3D angle folding picture, as you can see right here. And here, this is the dimensions. So basically here, let's go down to the specs where it says right here that it has an active noise cancellation. It's rechargeable, of course, lithium-ion battery, and then it's wireless connectivity. So it has a 3.5mm audio jack with Type-C charging, and then that's just basically it. So there you go, guys. This is just one of your options if you don't want this one and this one, which is kind of sleek and not really pleasing to the eye, but you want a actual black one right here, you can do so. So next we're gonna move on to the very good ones already, starting with this. So this is a EarPods Max that is a ripoff, or just a EarPods Max that's actually just an imitation. So it's called the Picon F8 Pro Elite Wireless Headphones. So again, this is the F8 Pro Elite Wireless Headphones. And as you can see, this will have exceptional 52 decibels active noise cancellation, detachable earmuffs, 5 smart ANC modes, and even microphones. It has an unbeatable 140-hour standby with seamless multi-device connectivity, intuitive volume control, fast USB-C charging, and ideal for immersive and gaming in daily use. So, as you can see right here, this is the picture of the colors. It comes in silver, pink, and your deep sky gray. So, let's just get on with it and let's check it out. So, as you can see right here with the Picon F8 Pro Elite Wireless Headphones, you will have your spatial audio, such as the features that you will have in your AirPods Max. This is the silver right here, and this is the dimensions, 180 millimeters across. For the earmuffs, it's going to be 97 millimeters and 200 millimeters from top to bottom, including the earmuffs and the headband. So here, you will have 15 decibels of ANC, and you can even remove the fabric earmuffs. So this will cost you a hefty $92.98, but considering the AirPods Max is around $350, you will get this in a steal price. As you can see right here, only 15 reviews, but this is only new. But when it comes to provider reviews, there's a lot right here internationally, but when it comes to US, there's only 15. But internationally, there's almost 12,240 reviews, as you can see. So this has a premium fabric earmuff that's comfortable to wear. And as you can see, you'll never miss any details because it has 5 mics with ENC technology ensuring clear calls. So there you go. This is the pink. It has aluminum telescopic shaft, just like the AirPods Max. And there you go. So that is basically it for this headphones. We have basically just actually already stated all the details up there. So it has a 40mm diaphragm for your speaker, of course. That's just it. And everything else is just the same as we have showed you here. So if you're really not going over your budget, or actually don't have a budget, you would want to go with your Soundcore by Anchor. So the Soundcore is one of the known brands for headphones and earphones in the industry. So here in Temu, you can get the Soundcore by Anchor, the Space One. So here, Space One by Anchor, it has active noise cancelling headphones and 2 times voice reduction with 40 hours ANC playtime, app control. It has LDAC and high-res wireless audio, also comfortable fit with clear calls and with Bluetooth 5.3. So this will cost you a hefty $100, just minus 1 cent, of course. As you can see, you will have a worry-free journey with 40 hours playtime with ANC on. With ANC off, you'll get 55 hours. So this has a crisp high-res sound since it's already certified by high-res audio and your wireless LDAC. So you also have your 8-degree floating axis design for your earmuffs. So it depends on your ear size or your head size. You can actually adjust it according to your size. So it has upgraded noise cancelling structure because it's really sealed, and this is Anchor. This is a branded one. Unlike the ones we have showed you, those are just generic ones that you can get. So here you have noise cancelling that adapts to environments like your plane, train, in the city, busy streets, construction. It will do it all. So from there, as you can see, let's just scroll down and see the more features that it has. So here, just the same things basically. And this is going to be your top pick if you have no budget or you have a higher budget than the ones a while ago. So this will also come in latte cream and sky blue. So basically that's it. The best one that I would pick right here is your Anchor. And that is the Space One. It has active noise cancellation. It has all the features that I have mentioned with the previous ones right here. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.